Mum, we're here and we see them all. Where are you?
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today is Sunday, and as you can see, it's very sunny. And this girl is in the park. I came to the park early this morning to have a little stroll because I can't jog. So I'm taking it one step at a time. And somehow I'm vlogging on my phone because it says my camera, something with my SD card in my camera because I switched SD card. Unfortunately of me, I didn't even check before I leave the house. And now I'm in but it have to do what it have to do. So this is my fit for the day. And I hope you guys are watching my vlogs because it will be much appreciated. Yeah, so let's walk this way. I'm going over the bridge. Let me spin my camera so you can see. So this is my trusty old park. I'm going where the pond is. It's lovely this morning. Look, there's some guys setting up their fishing camp. I need to get my camera sorted. I don't know what's going on. Ooh, this is lovely, isn't it? Lovely jubbly. And this is the other side, and I bet you later this park is gonna be full of people half naked because when the sun comes out, everyone comes out. I don't know what's going on. They strip down to their bikinis, showing off their little legs. Yeah. But guess what? Not me. Yesterday was hot as well, and I was in bed the whole time. I was in bed the whole time because this girl wasn't feeling well at all while everyone was outside enjoying life. But I wasn't enjoying nothing. Not a thing, my love. I was just enjoying my bed. Look at my face shiny. Shine like a dial. So just let's rub it in. I'm on a 1 week break, you know. And I know me. If I don't force myself to leave the house, I'm gonna be home the entire week. But I need to force myself to do something because you know sometimes I'm a loner, very selfish. I won't go anywhere and I will just stay at my yard, which is fine because I don't need, oh, this is killing my hand. I need to have a phone stand. This is killing my hands. As you can see, I'm struggling. Well, at all while everyone was outside enjoying life. But I wasn't enjoying nothing. Not a thing, my love. I was just enjoying my bed. Look at my face shiny. Shine like a dial. So just let's rub it in. I'm on a 1 week break, you know. And I know me. If I don't force myself to leave the house, I'm gonna be home the entire week. But I need to force myself to do something, because you know sometimes I'm a loner, very selfish. I won't go anywhere and I will just stay at my yard, which is fine, because I don't need, oh, this is killing my hand. I need to have a phone stand. This is killing my hands. As you can see, I'm struggling. So let me stop chatting, because you know sometimes I can go on and on and on and on. But let me just stop chatting and enjoy my walkity walk. I don't know what's the plan for later, because as they said it, later is greater. I'm not sure about that, mate. Nah. I need to get my bike out too for the summer, because I'm paying all this money for storage for my bike, and then I get so lazy. So lazy. Look how many birds in the park. It's a bird park. Look there. All different type of bird. I wanted to catch the supermarket this morning, but I don't think so, because on a Sunday the shops open at 10:30, and it's quite early this morning, and I'm not staying on road till 10:30. Plus, I need to go home and sort out my camera. I need to switch the SD card. I don't know why I didn't put the old SD card in back in my camera. I tried out a new one. I see. You see when new one costs? That's why in life, I said in life, stick to the hole that you know. Oh my God. Nothing new around here. Look at these dogs. Dogs and birds for days. Come, Mango, come. Ooh. Did you see that? Mango lit down in one and flat on the floor. Do you have pets? What pets do you like? I'm not a pet person, but it's alright. Listen, the face is getting shiny. Am I sweating? Not really. This is my first day at the park. First of many. It's gonna happen. Now I'm vlogging on my phone, and now I'm gonna be struggling to get it over to the laptop. Oh Lord, why my life can't be easy like some people? I've got to struggle for everything. Why? I said I was gonna stop chatting and enjoy my walk, but this park is very big, you know. Oh my God, I need to get some company. I need to find some friends. I'm a lonely gal in a big city. Oh my God. Oh, this lady's cleaning up the park. This is so good. This is what the damage that people did yesterday. And cleaning. They come to the park, they enjoy themselves, and they don't know how to clean up for themselves. There's some people get in a position over there, so we're gonna have a get together later, so they make sure they can get the best spot. Ooh, they're very devoted. No, nobody not invite me on a barbecue. Am I not a person too? Huh? Ooh, baby. Loving you is always on my mind. Na na na. What time is that? It's 7:22, and this girl is out of her bed so early. Early in the morning, I'll put breakfast on the table. I make sure that your coffee has sugar and cream. Your eggs are over easy. Your toast is like me. All that missing is the morning kiss. Used to greet me. Now you say that Jesus is gone. That used to be so. Boom! But when the glowing, look at Papa there doing his thing. Go boy. Next time, I'm gonna go over this hill. What is that? Hi guys, it's another day to vlog. After I did my little walk at the park, I came home, shower, eat, and I tidy up the whole entire house. But I didn't vlog that because you know what, you see that all the time. But now today's Monday. Today's a bank holiday, a public holiday, and this girl is going outside. So this is my outfit. I've got on a jean shorts, a white top, that's it, white trainers. Maybe I'll show you the full outfit when I'm outside. I've got on this hat. I don't know where my Jamaica kerchief is. I don't know if I must have misplaced it somewhere. But you know what? Although I like to represent, I can't do it today. How does my hat look? I don't know. If it doesn't look good, yes or no, guess what? It's still going. Because outside is hot, although it's not like shading anything. But I like it. Plus, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, I forgot. Oh, I'm not putting no makeup on because it's sweating like anything else. It's so hot. You know, British weather people start crying. Anyway, I'm gonna call my friend and see if she's going. If not, I'll be going alone. So I'm gonna go outside. Look at my lashes. Listen, they need to be done. I'm gonna take them off later because I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna take them off and wash my lashes, my real lashes, so that I can do them. And I got my foot peel. So I've got this one, and I've got the moisturizer. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow as well. While I take off my lashes, I gonna put the peel on my foot. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna chat till I chat nonsense. I see you later.
Usually it's like 60 quid. I would like it on 740.
Oh yeah, the best parish ever.
Clarendon are the best.
Clarendon, St. Thomas. St. Thomas native. Look on greatness. Na na na.
Yeah, look. You must say all of the youth them work with a St. Thomas.
Exactly. And they say St. Thomas nice, no?
Which part of St. Thomas? Him come from seafood.
Alright, me have to pass seafood before we live.
Yeah.
I'm going up the hill.
That's a lethal.
No, yeah, that's a different place. That's Martley. When you get Seaford, you go there, you go Sour and Whitehall.
Oh, Whitehall.
Yeah, and Whitehall you come from?
Whitehall, no, before you go in a St. Thomas, you may come from all.
No, you're talking about White Horses.
Oh, White Horses, yeah. White Horse. Come here, have an idea about the place there.
Yeah, which part you come from? Seaford?
Seaford.
Is it? We're supposed to know him then.
Love Heart Lane. Why you out them bad place there?
Of course we know
Love
about
Heart Lane
that.
and Blacksmith Lane.
Yeah,
Not everywhere that's St. Thomas.
A Seaford school we used to go to. Seaford Primary.
So maybe you and Ilian, them and family, go school together. That Ilian
How old
married
is
to
it?
Carl.
What Carl?
Carl.
Who's Carl?
We run one furniture and shop. Somewhere sitting now. She named Ilian, she's a teacher.
We'd have to go see her
Over
first.
here, she teaches.
We'd have to go see her
She
first.
teaches Dulwich. One big one school run this run a Dulwich this.
We'd have to go see her first and then we will know.
She come from upper Bart Fountain, like.
Oh, well we not come from that side.
Then
But
none of them come from Lethal. Fella come from Seaford. That's a blacksmith here.
She said, see you for money, la la dee la, la la dee, la la dee la.
Wrecking choir. The between behind here. My sister.
Or is it number 2? I would say that's number 1. Hey! Wow. Yesterday, yesterday, you will hear about my God, but today, here's what's gonna say you wonder why. You wonder why. You wanna know why. Who's wrong? Leaving me in Let your mind really be today. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine time. What are we doing out there? Nothing's working the house. You wanna know why? Because you wonder why. My bad is gone. You wanna know why? He's gone. Leaving me in misery. Leaving me in misery. Leaving me in misery. Misery, 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 misery. let you all the time. Simply just to know that you love and care. 'Cause I know you're there, I'll make me. Just as long as I show your eyes, I love it. Sing with me, go. Sounds so beautiful. Simply, I'm in love with you.
So much respect. Pass your car. The bus. What? Proud of South London. South London rules the dance floor. South London rules the dance floor. The old
Ready set down with killer dance, silly bang, some of them I'm bitch. Hold it down if you ain't got a clue. Mobile phones in the air if you do. One of them in the good already got screw. Trust me, daddy, when I'm gonna punch you. Four bars got on a high right hate. Ahead of the curve, work great irate. Steady with it, I'm bringing the vibe I make. Heavy with it, I give you the life I take. Rock up on over, everybody wanna smoke it. Wind up, them I wind up, but yeah, I know this. Line up for the times up with the coldest. Them are the best to get focused. Big, hey, too big for them. Anything louder than. Level up now to 10. Yo, telling them I'm big. Shouldn't have out with them. Yo, setting about the ends. Killing the sound again. Yo.
Well, the festival is over. My shoes is dirty. Nettie, what do you think about the festival?
Listen, the festival was amazing. The vice changed.
Our vice changed because she drunk.
Listen, we never got City Splash, but this was really good. It was good.
It was good. Now we're dirty and sweaty.
me.
Time to go home.
I know.
Morning, guys. Wagwan. It's the day after yesterday, the festival. And may I tell you, one more day in a Babylon. But I wake up with a banging headache. You know why? Because yesterday, I'm not even gonna lie. I did enjoy myself. Thought I wouldn't. But may I tell you, it was so good. I danced till my feet was wobbly. Because you know, some people like to enjoy themselves. It was free, but it was good. Listen to me. I would like to be at Berry Salmon, but for the price, no. I know my friends that went to Bersama and they enjoyed themselves, but I did as well on a different level. But now, back to normality. No more party done. It's still hot, but bank holiday is over. So now I'm heading to the supermarket because I haven't been, and it's not that early. It's the time is 8:29. I wanted to go earlier, but you know, you have to do what you have to do. So I'm gonna roll because I haven't eaten for morning either. So see ya. Hey, I was videoing in the supermarket and then my battery died, but as you can see, I'm back at home. Long time ago. I did so much things, but that's life. I'm trying to be a good vlogger. And if you reach this far in my video, just drop a like. And please, please, please drop a comment. Not a rude one, a good comment. But my body, side note, my body is in so much pain. Now I know my age and what I can and cannot do. So it's way in the evening. I'm gonna do my daily evening thing and wind down, watch some YouTubes, because that's my go-to thing now. And that's what I'm gonna do. Watch some music, listen some YouTube, watch some YouTube, not listen. Hey, what I'm saying. And then tomorrow now, I've got to take off these lashes because they really need to go. But I want to take them off the safe way by using my lash shampoo. I don't know if you can see it because it's a bit blurry, but that's it. And then I need to do some self-care. Because when I take off these lashes now, I can do a proper facial. And then, you know, as I showed you, strip my feet. But it's going to take over a process of time until it starts peeling off. So it's not straight away, it's just soaking. I need to wax my arm and all those pretty stuff. But you know what? I'm melting. It's so hot. The thing is, we complain, but I don't want to hear nobody say anything, because in England it's no in between. If it's not cold, it's raining, or it's extremely hot. It's no in between, because they don't make these houses with AC. And the poor fan is blowing out hot air because you have to be constantly using it. But you know what? What can we do? You know, we always complain because we're human beings anyway. Anyway, I just came off TikTok live. I'm starting to build that up now. So if you're not following me on TikTok, it's in my description. And my Instagram, but I don't know what Instagram is going with, because I'm building up, but yet still it's deleting some of my followers, so I don't even know what's going on. With the Insta, I'm gonna look keenly in that, but all my plugs and my whatever that you can follow and subscribe is in my bio, because I'm starting this thing back up again and I need you to support me. Okay? Anyway, I'm gonna say peace out for today. There's no excitement, it's just a normal thing, and you don't want to see the normal thing every time, innit? So I'll see you. too weird. Hey guys, this is hours later. I just did my hair. It's not perfect because I didn't have any help. I'm not even going to go close, but it's done. Oh my god, it was a struggle, but I just need to fix it and make it fit my face. And I'll put some make some little baby hair. This one is so big, but you know, it's got to do what's got to do, because guess what? I'm not a professional and I didn't claim to be. So next is lashes, brows, and waxing. And I did my feet already. When it starts to strip, then maybe I show it. But you know what YouTube is like. I don't want to be blocked or flagged up for anything. But remember, I'm not a professional. I just like to be. Morning guys, wagwan. Listen, I've been in bed all day, just getting up. As you can see, my lighting is not the greatest, but it is what it is. I've just finished watching the series Nemesis, and it's only episode 1 they have so far. But let me tell you, it's you guys need to watch it, because when you start you can't finish it. I was in a bed watching it until it's finished. But how it's finished, there must be a season 2 coming out. But the show is wicked, I'm telling you. I couldn't wait to get on the camera to talk about it, because as you can see, I'm still in my PJs, but it is what it is. Anyway, it's called Nemesis. If you didn't hear me, you hear me now, right? So, got my hair done, got my eyebrows did, and my eyelashes did. So, how do I look? Hair was done by moi. Lashes, eyebrow at the shop. So, I'm gonna close off the vlog here. If you reached this far to the end, thank you. Much appreciated. And remember to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe.